Hi Batswadi, welcome back to my channel. Please click the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. So I'm using the Mink Yakki by Magic. It is a 22-inch. So firstly, you part your front section, and then when you're done, you also need to measure whether you're happy with the sizing and just to see where you'll place your updo. And then I'm going to tie the updo aside to work on the back section. So firstly, I section out a small piece of my hair at the back. This is going to help with covering the tricks of the hairstyle that I'm going to be doing. So I do the same thing on both sides, and then I put them into twists. So on the back section, I've already pre-stretched my hair, but as you can see, it's still in its natural form. So I'm just combing it out, and then I'm going to tie it into a bun. And then I'm going to put on a wig cap. I didn't have a black one, but it's advisable to work with a black wig cap. So I first start by measuring the hair and then cutting it and applying glue like so. I give it about a minute or two for it to dry down a bit before pasting it onto my hair. And then I repeat the same process up until I reach where my updo at the front is. And then on the front section, I applied my Softnfree styling gel. So this is quite simple. I went over with my brush and then I tied a ponytail. I went on to put on my head wrap just to let the styling gel dry, and then I also did a braid on my bun and then I tucked it away. I also used a rubber band just to keep it in place. So the hair package came with 3 bundles. I used 2 at the back, and then the last one is the one that I'm using on my updo ponytail, just wrapping it around and then making sure that on the last strip of the hair, I'm using the hair as well to just wrap it around on the base to keep it more secure, and then just combing it out. The hair is tangly, it is synthetic hair, but I like that it is textured so it blends well with my hair as well. So now when cutting the wig cap, it was a bit of a mission. If you have someone who can assist you with that, rather you do so, because I had a mission cutting that part off. And then I just took a bit of the ponytail and just wrapped it around the hair to secure it, and I used my glamour spray to just make sure that it's more secure. And that was pretty much it for this hairstyle. Like I said, if you are not yet subscribed, we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Please make sure to click that subscribe button. And also, if you are from TikTok, please let me know in the comment section. Batswadi. And these are the final results, man. I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers. Bye.